Welcome back, y'all. We are doing the next installment on the Jeep Wrangler that had some frame damage. We're picking up basically right where we left off, except for we got one big thing completed. We left it where we had just tack welded our new front frame section, and we had my nephew, who we give a hard time a lot. He's been on the channel a few times, Landon. He came out and welded this thing. He did an awesome job. We already got it like wax coated, painted, all that stuff. He came out and did this for us. We give him a real hard time, but he did a really good job. And if it breaks, we can continue to make fun of him. So we're really excited about that. We almost won it.
I hope it breaks.
Yeah, it would be great if it did. No, he's a real good guy and came out and helped us out. So thank you to him. And now we're just at the reassembly phase, which means all those parts over there have to go on to here. Did we get the suspension stuff? That was because we broke all the links were broken, weren't they?
No, the only thing that was broken, well, you mean sway bar links?
Yeah.
They were not broken, we just took them apart. But the brackets, the U brackets that you hold on the bushings were a little tweaked.
Okay.
And I don't have those, but I'm okay with driving.
Well, but you want more flex anyways.
Yeah, it's for off-roading.
So let's just do some stuff here. So we got some lines disconnected. Probably power steering box and radiator assembly are our number one things. This guy could come up and be put there. Yeah, somebody's going to have to do this work. Okay. Yep, right there. I think we got her. We're gonna drill because sometimes when you get parts used, they're from a different year vehicle, even though they're almost the same, but they're not quite the same. Sure.
Nice.
Get that money shot?
Yeah. Oh. There she is. What do you think?
I think it's gonna work.
Yeah.
We got the self-tapping bolts out here. You might want like a little bit of PV out here.
A little lube.
Never mind.
Hopefully this goes.
All right, guys, this is the part where we lose our fingers. So, trigger warning if you're don't like to see things like that. All right. Go ahead.
Okay, let's go with that.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
No. Like we need this then. I don't think it's a two-person job for that.
Yeah, but to line these up, it might be. This whole. Not well, that's yeah. They don't line up that. It's that much higher.
Whoa.
Yeah. So I'm saying, I think if you look at this, like maybe take it away, you can see that like this one points straight up.
Yeah. But is it that or is it this?
I think it's this. I think this is like
Yeah.
the whole fender needs to come in, kind of thing.
Yeah, I kind of agree with you on that.
Wonder if I can get on there with a digging iron somewhere.
Just put a block of wood right there and a sledgehammer.
Yeah. It's just gonna bounce like freaking. Ah, that wasn't so bad. Alright. That might be it, actually.
Let's go over, I guess.
Yep, over. Move the wire a little bit. Give it some space.
Then where's this guy?
Hold on a second here. Oh, you know what? I am totally on a line over here. Hold on a second. Can you lift your end a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Get behind this.
This way?
There we go. Yep, that's what I needed. And then I'll leave this out here. And now I think we can start.
I think your wire's caught over there. Just try to
Oh, yeah,
pull
the thing
him
I
up.
didn't want to do. There we go.
No, I'm calling the power steering. I got it.
So we installed everything up here. This thing, like I was ranting about, is absolutely terrible. I mean, look, there's just no holes drilled in it. I guess they maybe expect you to rivet, but like it's missing holes. It was cracked already, like I showed. It's just not good. We may just pull this guy off at some point and replace it with a better one. But for today, we're just going to leave it so we can get this thing started. But it is absolute trash. we got the air box in, coolant tank, everything up here, and we broke the power steering reservoir when we were hammering on this, so that was stupid on our part. Now Lance is going to start it, because I think we're good there. Whew. And we're going to top off coolant while let it warm up here, and work on getting some of this stuff back together.
You got nuts?
No, I don't know where the lugs are.
Alright, lugs are there. Let me get you an vacuum.
I guess we need the impact too.
Yes.
All right, we got the coolant bled out. These are a son of a gun, these little 3.6s, as far as getting all the air out of the coolant system, because, yeah, we didn't have heat for a long time, and I think it's still maybe a little bit low, but you got to use the bleeder valve in there and everything, so it's kind of a son of a gun. But we're going to go test drive, just make sure everything's still working before we put everything else back together here.
Kind of nice not driving H3, huh?
Yeah, so much more reliable. Way better overall.
I like that click.
The heat actually just stopped working because I think of the blind boy. It was working. I got no fan now.
No, that's what happened to me earlier. Yeah.
So it kind of works. Okay. Huh, yeah. You know what's weird? Heat works in my Hummer. We do have a traction control light.
Huh.
This thing seems real rough inside. Like, sound-wise? Like,
Oh, that's just the knobby tires.
They're not that knobby.
I think that's how
Is
they
this
feel.
steering wheel right?
Yeah, it's close. Might need an alignment.
This does have more power than the H3, I will say that.
Better fuel mileage?
It probably.
Training could be a little low. I lost about, I don't know, maybe a half a quart, you know, between the cooler and the...
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, she's all over
easy.
there. Just trying to figure out what we're hearing. I don't know if we're catching a, dust shield.
Yeah, there is some
Hear
noise.
something. I'm gonna turn this down. Flat spot on the tires. Something we forgot.
How's the radio?
It works good. It was playing Nickelback. It's not now. It needs that sway bar.
Yeah.
Real bad.
I think the alignment's the bigger culprit.
It could be, yeah. I think the tires are doing a little fighting with each other.
It's a 2.
Alright. She worked pretty good right there.
Test drive went pretty good, other than it definitely needs that alignment real bad. We actually picked up our new reservoir because it was still working, but we did crack the absolute crap out of that. So we got a new reservoir we're going to put in, already got the air box out, and then we're going to start reassembling. Now, Lance has an idea of not painting the Jeep thing and then doing green accents over time here. We don't have any other green stuff, so it's going to look out of place for the moment. But maybe doing the hinges and other things, right? In green. And, yeah. He was going to sell it, but then once we saw how the frame is, we decided that this is just going to go to the scrapyard after he's done with it. So, we'll park it next to
Which after one trip to Roush Creek should be about it.
What are you using there, 10 millimeter?
This is a 10mm.
Nice. That's what you need for those.
There's the old bracket.
Sounded like that was a real cross thread to start.
I think. There. That was cross thread.
Sometimes cross threads hold tighter once. You got to hook that up to that hose down there. Yep. Good job.
Right?
Yep, you're getting it right in there.
Oh my god, it's just like not going in.
All right, so now it's complete. Cannot break down. Did we ever check the oil in this?
I did.
Oh, okay. It's good?
No.
Really?
No, it's good.
Okay. I was going to say, it just had the oil change done because the sticker in there
No, it's good. It's good,
Is-
clean, and full.
5,000 ahead of schedule, so.
Pops. I'm not sure.
It fits right in with the rest. The fit and finish on this one. The hooks are on top. That's stupid. Oh yeah, we'll have some space. All right.
How are we looking left to right? Just kind of.
Dead on. Whole front end is back together. We tried to align it unsuccessfully. Nothing will move down there, so I don't know. I'm not a big, like, I don't mess with straight axle stuff that often, but nothing seemed to want to move, so we're gonna put it up on the lift at some point, try to get that a little bit closer, or just take it to professional alignment, because obviously we can't get it 100% here. Everything else we want to check out, which we think it's probably the alignment too, but we got a traction control light, so I got the old topped on, appreciate them, running in here so that we can figure out what our traction control is. And then we have tire pressure sensors, TPMS, on the front two wheels. Now those are the ones we had off, so I don't know if maybe they just died while we had the front off for a couple days there. And I don't know Chrysler's process offhand of resetting them. I know GM, but I don't know Chrysler, so we'll have to check that out. Steering angle, yep, okay. So that is our alignment right there. So can't fix that until the alignment is done, but I'm still gonna clear it just because I find that fun. And now they're off. It's off for the moment. It will come right back on as soon as we turn this and it's not in the correct position. So we gave her a little wash here, and I'm just gonna do one final walk around so you guys can see it. It looks pretty good, honestly. Not a lot of rust on her. So that way we're doing pretty good. Oh, we need a taillight yet. Forgot that. That one's broken. And we got to clean up the interior. But I'm going to consider this rebuild kind of done because I think we're going to do the green accent thing. Let me know about that. If not, we can just get the grill painted or find a white one. Or maybe one of those aftermarket ones with the angry eyes, because those are so cool. We're going to take it up to get an inspection done on it. And then once the inspection is done, we can actually drive it out on the road, get it aligned, all of those things. And we're kind of good to go. So gonna have to do a head-to-head between this and the H3, because I talked a lot of trash on the Jeeps, and now I got to see if the H3 can back it up, and I'm a little concerned about that. So see what happens. But she is running, driving, good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll have another installment some other time. All right, thanks guys.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back